All right, kids. So this week is the first week of the No Bread Challenge. So we are going to be testing a few workouts and also just kind of starting the progressions for some of the things that we do here at the gym. So if you have specific goals in mind, great, keep tackling them. If you want to use the first week of programming as your jump off point or some of the tests, pick and choose what you want to do. Don't try to tag on too much, but I do want you trying as many as possible. The ones that say test, we will be retesting, but there are other workouts that are happening during the week that you may see thrown in during the course of the next 8 weeks, even multiple times. So giving you guys another chance to retest this rather than having one go at it. You may have two and possibly even three chances to improve your score. So let's kick this thing off. We got Monday. Monday's going to be a 3 rep max front squat. We've given you some options in terms of how to appropriate load this. You saw this similar to the other day when we did a 1 rep max, but the first weight, you should be able to do 9 times, 6 times, 6 times, and then start doing increasing sets of 3 until the time expires. So we're going to be working on a few things, mainly the front rack position, holding the bar in your chest, and then how to appropriately squat. So we'll make sure your positioning's there. Tuesday, we have rowing. Nicole. You can also choose to run this if you want to, if you have an existing Nicole score, but since you're going to do a max set of pull-ups that are unbroken. Once you finish that, you're going to row 500 meters and you're going to repeat that until you're done. Your score is going to be the number of pull-ups that you get. Don't worry if you don't have pull-ups just yet. You may have goals to get a pull-up this no bread, but also we'll be doing ring rows and different variations of upper body pulling strength. So just because it says pull-ups doesn't mean that you can't show up and do something for the workout. Wednesday, we have 3 rounds for time. That's what that stands for, RFT, rounds for time. 200-meter run, dumbbell push press, and then part B is going to be a 1 rep max bench press. So we're going to do a little bit of a warm-up here, and then we're going to be start benching heavy. So yes, we're planning on a summer fitness challenge. So there's going to be a lot of beach-esque workouts, starting with the ultimate of the bench press. So get used to that. Thursday, we have hang clean work. This is just some skill work. We do a lot of cleans here at the gym. That's just getting the bar from the ground to the shoulder position or the front rack position that we're working on Monday. So again, loading up the progressions. If you come on Monday, you're going to be more prepared for what happens on Thursday. And then you can see this as a mile run. This is not a test. We will be throwing this out there again at some point in time. It was successful last time that we did the No Bread Challenge, so if you want to use it as a test, go for it. But it won't necessarily fall in the last week this time again. So plan accordingly. You may have to make it up at an open gym or something. Friday, we have the No Bread Challenge winner workout. So one of the mini challenges for the last No Bread Challenge was to come up with a workout with your squad, and one of the squads was a bunch of misfits, and they came up with just an assembly of not so fun movements with a light rep scheme. So it's gonna be 5 rounds for time. It's going to be 5 rounds for time, meaning that you're going to do 10 burpees, 10 wall balls, 10 kettlebell swings, 10 pull-ups, 10 box jumps, 50 double unders, and then you're going to start back over, and you're going to go through this list 5 times with a 22-minute time cap. So based off what you did last time, or if you're new to this, we'll scale accordingly, but most of the movements are pretty doable for every level of athlete. And then we have Tuck Fit. We got a 15-minute workout of running, squats, toes to bar, and some overhead lunges with the plate. We'll go over those movements at class. Just like everything, this is a place for a review. You'll hear me say it, and then whatever coaches you have at the beginning of class, they'll repeat the workouts that are going on. Based off of your goals, check out this section right here that says extra work. So this could be very important to your goals that you're working on, whether it be getting your first pull-up, maybe running, it may be a plank hold, it could be pretty much anything, but use that extra work to your advantage. It should be posted every single day. It may be a part of class, it may not be. That's based off of how long the workout will take and also who's coaching that class. So if you have goals, substitute your own goal work for that extra work. But if you don't, use the extra work to your advantage. Hang out at the gym a little bit longer, get to know some people, and get some bicep curls in there. All right. There's also some coaching notes that we'll add at the bottom of each program, just to kind of give you an idea of what we're going to be looking for that day and some of the things that we'll be touching base on. All right. If you have questions, talk to your coach, and I'll see you guys Monday.